Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. The body does not perceive milk, but really want it? Nutritionists have named a healthy alternative. Cow's milk is the product that is rightly considered one of the most beneficial for the human body. But there is only a category of people whose body refuses to absorb lactose normally. This, in turn, often provokes various allergies. Also, for example, vegans do not consume this type of milk at all, which is dictated by their beliefs. But let's remember that we are people of the new millennium, which offers us many new opportunities, including non-alternatives to plant-based milk. Almond milk is one such option. Nutritionists also advise choosing those types that do not contain sugar. The specialists of the NetDoctor portal claim that just one glass of such a substance fully compensates for the daily intake of vitamin E and more than a third of the need for calcium. Almond milk, in comparison with ordinary cow milk, contains a minimum amount of proteins and carbohydrates, but at the same time it contains a lot of healthy fats. Their volume is equal to 3 grams per bottle. If this drink does not contain sugar, it will protect you from the risk of high blood sugar levels, which is very important for those who suffer from diabetes. Experts also claim that this type of milk is very rich in antioxidants. And most of the vitamin E in the composition will help prevent cardiovascular diseases and some types of cancer. In its pure form, almond milk is not very rich in vitamins B12 and D. But modern manufacturers have long learned to supplement this product with them. It is such a product that is quite capable of compensating for the lack of vitamins with a vegetarian diet. Almond milk contains significantly less phosphorus than cow or soy milk. This makes this type of drink better suited for people with kidney disease. But in such cases it is better to seek medical advice. Experts also say that when you give up cow's milk, you need to increase the amount of foods that contain milk. To do this, it will be enough to add dishes from fish, shrimp or seaweed products. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.